Sometimes making a good decision comes down to an unexplainable gut feeling. And gut reactions are the fastest way to make a good decision. And our exercise, Gut Check, does just that. Before bringing your ideas to your team, it's best to see if your product or service idea passes the gut check. First, you need to choose the best product or service idea. After filling out the opportunities worksheet from the last exercise, you should have several ideas on each how might we that you created. So read over your ideas and choose the strongest one, and look for the idea that can have the highest impact for your customer. Now it's a great time to give that idea a code name. Now don't overthink this and don't stress over finding the perfect name. You just need a name to refer to when you talk about this product idea with others. So go ahead and name your idea now. Now that you've chosen the strongest idea, it's time to put the gut check in place by asking 4 simple questions. Could this solve your customer's problem? If the answer is no, stop immediately and choose a different idea. There's no sense in creating something that doesn't solve a problem. If yes, then you can move on to the next question. Could this be technically feasible? If you're certain the answer is no, then choose a different idea. If something is impossible to create, then why continue to entertain the thought? Maybe a better, more feasible solution exists. Could this make financial sense? Again, stop if the answer is no. But unless you're a nonprofit, there's no reason to pursue an idea if it won't create any financial benefit. If the answer is yes, then you can move to the last question. Do you believe in the idea? This is meant to be a very objective question. The idea could solve a problem and make money, but if you don't believe in it, it will fail. All right, so this is the gut check. If you answered no to any of those questions, then pick a different idea to pursue. An idea that doesn't pass your gut check will ultimately fail and waste everyone's time. If you had 4 yeses, then you're ready to share your ideas with your team. So where should you go from here? Well, if you're looking to validate your idea a little more, then you want to test it with a user. User testing is the most effective way to know your product or feature is valuable and understandable. Now, we've created a full cheat sheet on how to user test like a pro, and you can check it out now.